Did you know that canola oil, often marketed as a healthy cooking option, has hidden dangers? Despite its popularity, canola oil is highly refined and often undergoes extensive processing involving chemicals like hexane. This not only strips away nutrients, but can also leave trace amounts of harmful substances. Moreover, most canola oil comes from genetically modified crops, raising concerns about long-term health effects. Studies have suggested links between canola oil consumption and increased inflammation, which can lead to chronic diseases like heart disease and arthritis. Another alarming fact is that canola oil can generate trans fats when heated, which are notorious for raising bad cholesterol levels and lowering good cholesterol. So, the next time you reach for that bottle of canola oil, think twice. Your health might just depend on it. Stay informed and choose your oils wisely.